We are going to study about pipelines, waterways, airways, and communication, chapter number 7. Now, advantages of pipelines. Pipelines can be laid over difficult terrain as well as under the sea. Their cost of operation and maintenance is very low. It is a faster and time-saving mode of transport. There is no wastage or pilferage of material through pipelines. They are high on efficiency as well as environmental friendly. There are no problems of delay in supply. Okay. Pipeline si ama kan ngai thlak tong khanin enge liquid le gas in ton na atang khanin apoi mo em kan ti to kha mun cheng chia le tui noya te pipe kan ti ang chia kha e phuma ni chena achaka ama hi time a save em bokani chuanin environmental pollution a thlen ngai lawa e pipe mga bungra kan thon kha athlen hona thleng tlai kan tiang chi kha om ve ngai lo ni problem faced by pipelines. Leakage, if any, in the pipeline is difficult to detect. Pipeline transport may be disrupted by antisocial elements by sabotage. It could also be damaged due to tectonic movements such as earthquakes. Okay. Pipeline mga thil kan thon hian ama kan soi advantages kan soi tong khan pipe kha le hnuai ate tui hnuai te phum ani china wangin alik na lai shat chwa kha har se em china tin art movement le chet na kan tiang chi earthquakes kan tiang chi te athlen chang khanin a pipe khat akhidu em china ni pipe achedu em china ni. Now waterways. Water transport is one of the cheapest and easiest means of transport. Comprises both inland and coastal waterways. Okay. Water transport hi modes of transportation kan ti zinga kanin at chuan manatom dera enge a ol sam ber bokani. Certain waterways have also acquired the status of national waterways by the government. These are River Ganga between Allahabad and Haldia, covering a distance of 1,620 km, is national waterways number 1. River Brahmaputra between Sadia and Dhubri, covering a distance of 891 km, is national waterways number 2. The West Coast Canal in Kerala between Kollam and Kottayam, covering a distance of 205 km, is national waterways number 3. Okay. National highways kan say ang daw khanin poi mo da na zer khanin nge chin chia khani via waterways kan ti apo him national waterway number 1 hi river Ganga Allahabad le Haldia inkar kilometer sang khazaruk samni athui ni a national waterway number 2 hi river Brahmaputra Sadia le Dhubri inkar kilometer zaria samkwa pakhata thui ani boka chuan national waterways number 3 hi Kerala West Coast Canal. Kollam le Kottayam inkar kilometer zani panga thui ani bokani. India has a long coastline dotted with numerous seaports. These include 12 major ports and 184 intermediate and minor ports. Mumbai is the largest port in India. Okay. India ram hianin coastline tui takha kanneya chuanin major ports som pani baka khan intermediate le minor ports za somriat pali India hian kanneya port lian ber chu India rama port lian ber chu Mumbai ani. Now airways. Air transport constitute the fastest and most comfortable mode of transport. Air transport in India was nationalized in 1953. At that time, Indian Airlines served the domestic sector while Air India provided the international air services. Okay. Air transport kan te hi modes of transportation kan ne zinga chuan a chakbera jin ve wana tan po khana thlan omina nuam berani India ramina air transportation minol puina kan man thei tura e kan nei hun hi 1953 ani a khang hun lai khanin Indian Airlines in e ram chung a e thona thlok tur a an buai puya Air India ve thungi chuanin rampona thona thlok tur ka an ngai an buai pui thina ni. The four major international airports in India are Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, and Chennai International Airport, Chennai. The Air Authority of India (AAI) is responsible for providing safe and efficient air services in the country. Now, problem faced by air transport. Number 1, limited carrying capacity. It has limited carrying capacity and the amount of freight that can be carried is also restricted by the lack of space. Cost of air transport. The cost of air transport, which is inclusive of the aircraft, rail provision of air terminal facilities, and of obtaining flying and landing rights, are all very expensive. Weather conditions such as heavy rainfall or storms or ground fog can also hamper air transport. A that tok lo na te a problem sa hi mo a demerits a chuan demerits of air transport a chuan pakhat na a chuanin a phur thei tok kha nei zela kha kha a that tok lo na ni ta a pani na a chuanin a chuan man to em a minol pui e in zin ve wana tang khan an mang ve thei lo ni a chuan man kha to wa chuan pathum na chuan weather condition na kha a poim em a e ruah sur na sa tu kan tiang chi te thli na sa ang chi te chum leiwa kan tiang chi te atam viau ka chuanin thlona mga zin veiwa kha him tok lo the ni. Now communication. Ama kan sai tong khan communication kan ti chuan in biak po na anita a communication a hi chi ni hom lian deuh deuh chi ni an thena chung chu personal communication le mass communication ani. Personal communication kan ti chuan mimal le mimal inkar in biak po ton a hi anita a the Indian Postal Network, one of the largest in the world, handles a major share of personal communication requirement in India. Personal communication India ram handle tulian ber chu Indian Postal Network kan ti ni. Chuan heng ba ka hianin Indian Postal Network ba ka hianin telephone network kan ti hi kha kha personal communication kan ti zinga chuan an poimo le bok. Mass communication kan ti chuan minol pui na in biak po na atana kan man ang chi ho ni ta a internan audio visual kan ti ang chi te electronic media radio television kan ti ang chi le print media magazine le newspaper kan ti te kha mass communication lar zwal te chu ni ta a tun lai anga chuanin telephone kan ti te telegraph kan ti te radio te telex pagers mobile internet fax email kan ti ang chi ho zong po hi mass communication zing antel vekani. Now international trade. Trade between two countries is called international trade. International trade kan ti chuanin ram pani te inkar in sum don tun the international trade kan ti ta a two components of international trade hi export and import ni mo export kan ti chuan thon chua import ni chuan kan lak lo ka kha international trade a zir tur poimo le kan sha tur poimo te ni. That's all for today.